Hello to all my children. How are you today? Hope you're all okay. Now you're here with us at DP Kids, so you can take all the pieces of paper. Now I have chosen a pink piece of paper, so you can select whatever you like. Now I have one small piece of paper and a big one. So our plan is to teach our little ones today as well. So get ready with a lot of beautiful paper. So this is the type of paper I'm going to use. One small paper for the head and a big paper for the body. So what I'm going to do first is make the face. Now take the piece of paper, fold it in half so that we have a triangle. Then let's open it up. Bring this corner to the middle horizontal line here, and then the same thing on the top. See whether you can do it. And now fold the entire thing into half again. See whether you can manage it. Did you get something like this? Now that's the face. Okay, right. Now we have to bring up this little corner up so that it creates a little flap there. And the same thing on the other side. So don't bring it too much into the middle. Just keep it in the corner. That'll be enough. Now turn the other way around, and that's your face. The kitty's face. Now let's draw two beautiful big eyes. A little nose and his mouth. Isn't he a very happy kitty? And also the whiskers. Don't forget the whiskers. Now let's make his body part. Quite easy comparatively. Now fold that big piece of paper into a triangular shape. Now the back part of the paper, we are going to fold it inwards so that you get the tail. And that's your kitty cat. So what we are going to do is now we have to paste the head of the kitty to his body by putting a little drop of glue onto the lower part of his head, and now stick him onto his body like that. Isn't he becoming a very cute kitty? Let's do something more to make him even cuter. And you can even use a piece of glitter so that you can create a bow for the kitty. And now let's paste that bow onto his chin like that. Now see how pretty our kitty is. It's not hard, is it? It's quite easy. Shall we try to make one? Don't forget to do this because you have to do it immediately after watching the video, otherwise you will forget. So take out all your pretty pieces of paper and make a kitty. Subscribe us and like our videos. Don't forget to join our next video. Goodbye.